Hello viewers, I am unboxing Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and it's a 2022 edition and LTE version, which means you can make a phone call using this tab. Launch date for this product is June 29th, year 2022. This has 64 GB storage, which is expandable to 1 TB with MicroSD card, and then it has 4 GB of RAM. The battery is also powerful and big. It is 7040 mAh battery, and it's an Android tablet which has got 2.3 GHz processor, and the CPU type is Octa-Core. A rear camera of 8 megapixel and front camera of 5 megapixel with no flash. This still gives you a good photograph, although tablets are not meant for photography. In terms of weight, this is 467 gram and you can go on with video playback up to 15 hours. This has got an Earjack which supports 3.5 mm stereo sound, and this comes with 15 watt Type C charger. It takes around 2.5 hours to fully charge this tablet. Your data is protected from malware and malicious attack by Knox security platform in this. It's a slim, lightweight tablet thanks to its seamless metal unibody. This has less bezel, means more room for a bigger, which is 10.4 inches display on a conveniently compact tablet. You can grab it in Oxford Grey, Angora Blue or Pink color from your nearest store or online. It's good for students who wants to take notes, artists who would like to draw and color, and working professionals wanting to attend calls, finish some of the work on the go, as it gives you PC-like productivity with Samsung DeX. Enjoy screening in the park or binge watch in bed with dual speakers in landscape orientation that deliver rich and 3D sound. One can surely wrap tablet with a sleek case or with a cover with keyboards which clinch magnetically. Before buying cover, check S Pen holder as well. It comes with S Pen, which is the writing instrument with natural grip, and it is impressive in terms of pressure sensitivity, which makes it easy for you to go on for everything from drawing to editing documents. And S Pen won't get misplaced thanks to tablet's magnetic holder. So here I am unboxing one of the keyboard which I brought from Amazon, and the keyboard attached to this laptop through Bluetooth, and it is magnetically fixed to the cover. Before you buy, do read the reviews of keyboard and check if the keyboard has got charging ability with C-type port charger. Please read more details about this product in description of this vlog, and you can ask me question by posting comments.